Hey everyone, welcome back to the Soulganic Life channel where we dive into the best strategies for financial health and wealth. Today, we're exploring the legendary Warren Buffett's top 10 investment principles that can guide you to financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Invest in what you know. Warren Buffett always emphasizes understanding the businesses you invest in. If you can't explain how a company makes money, think twice before investing. How to apply it? Start with industries you're familiar with. Use your knowledge to identify strong companies within those sectors. 2. Focus on intrinsic value. Buffett looks at the true value of a company, not its current stock price. This means assessing the company's fundamentals, like earnings, assets, and growth potential. How to apply it? Learn basic financial analysis. Look beyond the stock price and evaluate a company's true worth. 3. Long-term investments. Buffett's famous quote, "Our favorite holding period is forever," highlights the importance of long-term thinking. Investing with a long-term perspective allows compounding to work its magic. How to apply it? Choose investments with the potential for long-term growth. Avoid the temptation to chase short-term gains. 4. Margin of safety. Buffett stresses buying stocks at a price below their intrinsic value, providing a cushion against errors in judgment. How to apply it? Always seek investments that offer a margin of safety. This reduces risk and increases potential returns. 5. Economic moat. Buffett invests in companies with strong competitive advantages, or economic moats, which protect them from competitors. How to apply it? Look for companies with unique strengths that are hard to replicate. These could be brand value, patents, or superior technology. Avoid debt. Buffett advises steering clear of high levels of debt, as it can lead to financial ruin during downturns. How to apply it? Prioritize companies with strong balance sheets and low debt. This ensures they can weather economic storms. 7. Be patient. Patience is key in investing. Buffett waits for the right opportunities and avoids impulsive decisions. How to apply it? Don't rush into investments. Take your time to research and wait for the best opportunities. 8. Reinvest earnings. Buffett reinvests profits to generate more earnings over time, fueling compound growth. How to apply it? Reinvest dividends and profits to maximize growth over the long term. 9. Be fearful when others are greedy. Buffett advises buying when others are selling, and selling when others are buying, taking advantage of market irrationality. How to apply it? Stay calm during market volatility. Use market downturns as buying opportunities. 10. Continuous learning. Buffett dedicates a significant portion of his day to reading and learning, always seeking to improve his knowledge. How to apply it? Invest in your own education. Read widely and continuously learn about investing in markets. These principles have guided Warren Buffett to become one of the wealthiest and most successful investors in history. Apply these strategies to your own investment journey, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on building wealth and achieving financial health. Thanks for watching. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Keep learning and growing. See you next time on the Soulganic Life.